Hey, what's up, guys?
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Why do I feel like I've been tricked? You told me to change into sports and a tank top. What's this for? Is it this?
Yes,
Yes, a sandboard, right?
that's right.
Why did you give me a long jacket?
Oh, because I'm about to go swimming soon.
Actually, I've never tried this before. It seems really hard. But what I'm most worried about is if the wind is a bit too strong.
Well, the ecology of Zhunan is actually quite rich. It's like on the west side, and everybody knows the wind may be stronger, so there'll be quite a lot of playing the kites while surfing or just surfing. This area is all sandy shore terrain, so I think it's quite friendly to beginners.
That's good. Then it's perfect for me.
Yup.
Let's get started.
Okay. So then two coaches will take over in the moment.
All right. Hey, guys. Wow, we've arrived at our practice spot.
The first thing we need to learn is how to protect our bodies.
Protect our bodies.
When we slide out and fall, how should we fall?
Oh, first learn how to fall. So, how do we fall?
First, squat down, then roll to your left like this. Like this.
He's not tricking me, right? Okay, all right, let's go. What?
Yes.
Like that?
Later, when we're playing, if you fall backward, we do it like this.
Okay, so if I slide backward.
Yes.
Wait.
Try not to let your head hit the ground.
Oh, okay, protect my head, right?
Yes. And if you fall forward, use this part like this.
Oh, all right. Wait.
Yes.
Ah!
Okay, sandboarding is like skateboarding on the sand.
Oh, okay.
1, 2, 3,
1, 2,
4.
3, 4.
Yes. Let him demonstrate first.
Okay, sure. So fast. I didn't even see it. Again. Got it. All right.
Okay, let's start.
For many people, sandboarding seems like skateboarding on the sand. But sandboarding and skateboarding are really different. Besides needing to assess your balance, you're also affected by the currents, which mess with your sense of direction.
Yes!
Oh! 2 meters! A little bit. Okay, I got it. Let's give it a try. So hard! Again. Actually, I've always maintained a mindset that I'm still around 18 years old. But today, seeing these two, I admit I'm not 18 anymore. I'm old. Their body coordination is so natural and smooth. Even though I've tried twice, the farthest I've slid is only 2 to 3 meters. Hey! Compared to them, they can slide about 10 to 15 meters. So I still have a long way to go. Although it's easy to lose balance, luckily, the coach taught me 2 tricks to protect myself at any time. Next time you come to Zhunan, try experiencing the charm of sandboarding like I did. Feels like being back in Brazil, like being by the beach. There's a fire camp and everyone gathers there with guitars, drinks, and chats. Honestly, it's really relaxing and beautiful. Thank you, Ame.
No problem.
Let's toast first. Thank you, everyone, for teaching me how to sandboard, even though I didn't succeed. I was just asking him why you all chose to come here and live this way.
Well, at the very beginning, I actually came here to take a surfing lesson, and then what follows is a series of coincidences. I wanted to continue surfing and then work here, enjoy some beach life.
It's really comfortable, right?
Of course.
I chose to be self-taught. I didn't go to school for lessons. Our main plan this year is to focus on marine education and ocean safety awareness. That's why we chose to stay here to gain more experience.
Okay. Like me in Brazil, I grew up by the sea. We have so many places like this because we love thinking about my university days in Brazil. Every time after class with classmates, we would go to the beach. watch the sunset, and then spend time in a space like this, drinking and chatting until midnight. A space very similar to here to enjoy life. Chatting with friends by the sea is really super chill. And Zhunan has another spot that can slow down time.